Ladies and gentlemen, a very warm welcome to Glasgow. Please do remain in your seats with your seatbelt fastened until the fasten seatbelt signs have been switched off. All devices for messages, calls and internet access may now be used. Before leaving us today, please make sure you have taken all your personal belongings with you, checking in the seat pockets, underneath the seat and in the overhead lockers. Do take care when opening lockers in case any items have moved during the flight and may fall out. Smoking is not permitted until you reach a designated smoking area. We would like to thank you for choosing to fly with us today, and on behalf of your captain, your first officer and onboard cabin crew, it certainly has been our pleasure of being of service to you on today's flight. We will now be handing you over to our ground handling agents here in Glasgow should you need any further help from us from inside the terminal building. And also, when the cabin crew will shortly be released from their seats to perform safety-related duties. However, once again we must ask you to remain seated until the aircraft has come to a complete stop and the seatbelt signs have been switched off. Thank you and a very good morning.